Samsung's Bespoke AI Jet Lite vacuum combines a sleek, cordless stick design with a smart cleaning brain that automatically adjusts suction to different floors and mess levels. The powerful HexaJet motor delivers 280 air watts of suction, so fine dust in crevices and heavier debris on carpets are both picked up confidently in a single pass. Its all-in-one clean station quietly empties the dustbin into a sealed bag and charges the vacuum at the same time, which keeps maintenance simple and mess-free. The anti-tangle pet tool is particularly effective on sofas and pet beds, cutting and lifting hair before it can wrap around the brush, which is a real relief in homes with shedding animals. A long-lasting battery that can run for up to 60 minutes on a single charge makes it practical for cleaning larger spaces without constantly watching the remaining power. Thoughtful touches like the lightweight wand, easy-to-maneuver head, and modern pebble gray finish make daily cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a quick, well-designed routine.